Good morning, you little stinks. Welcome back to the vlog. It is Saturday morning. It is literally 9:06 a.m. I'm just getting out of bed in my pajamas. I'm gonna go bake banana bread because I have 3 bananas that I want to make banana bread out of. And then I have nothing I have to be at today. Thankfully, I canceled something that I had in the city because I was in the city yesterday from like 8 a.m. until 10 p.m. And I was like, okay, I can't be there again. Sorry, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to go. So I canceled that and I think I'm just gonna have like a reset, an apartment reset, clean out, all that stuff. I'm not in a rush for anything today. It's so nice. I've been on my reading game the past few weeks and I'm obsessed with reading now because I think it's just very calming and nurturing and what am I saying? I'm like really loving this fit, but I have to put shorts on so that I can go get my package because I have to run to the package room. But also, I just looked, I need to go get a new SD card like immediately. So I guess I'm not gonna have a lazy morning. I guess I'm gonna make my bed, go to the store, maybe I'll work out and make banana bread later. Okay, plans have changed because you're dying. I get in these moods where I want to just be like productive in bed. So this is what my bed looks like. I have Mel Robbins' new book, one of my journals next to it, my iPad and my computer. I didn't read any of the book, it's just there. I slept with it. I also need to start getting rid of just getting rid of stuff from my apartment before I move because I'm going to Europe and then when I get back from Europe, it's fashion week and then I'm moving like right after that. So it's gonna be chaotic the next month. So I'm trying to get ahead of the game. I say I'm trying to get ahead of the game. I haven't been getting ahead of the game, but I need to, so. Okay, let's go to Target. I love Beyonce. Okay, I'm gonna go get a package from the package room and then we're going to Target to get some stuff and then we'll come back and work out and then bake. Horse, look at that horse, look at that horse. Okay, I'm at Target when Beyonce's blasting in the back. Okay, I'm gonna run in, grab a few things, and then get out. I just talked to the movers for my move in February, and they were asking what I'm bringing. I'm like, guys, I really don't know yet. Like, I don't know if I'm getting rid of my couch. I don't know if I'm getting rid of my bed. How many they were like, how many boxes? I was like, 50? Too many. No, I said 15. Once I thought about it, I was like, that's not enough at all. Girl, where the hell are the discs at? Ooh, we found them. Okay, I got my groceries and everything I needed from Target. Now I'm gonna run into Home Depot, get boxes. I'm like a dad this morning, fuck yeah. And then we'll go home and do God knows what. Okay, I'm back home. Look at all my boxes I got. You should have seen me walking through Home Depot. I looked like a lost puppy. The workers kept looking at me and I'm shy in public. So I can't like go up and just be like, hey, where are the boxes for moving? I was like, no, I'll figure it out myself. I'm lighting a candle. Come on, hello, hello. There we go. I also got groceries. Let me give you a little haul. Blueberries. I was looking at blueberries. I'm trying to be more money conscious. And I was looking at blueberries, frozen ones, because I like to put frozen blueberries in like my yogurt and in oatmeal bowls and stuff. I was looking at them and then it was like wild blueberries and they were $1 more. I was like, who gives a fuck if it's wild? What does that even mean? Almond milk, this coffee, whole milk for baking, and then a Scrub Daddy. Scrub Daddy's over any other sponge. I'll die on that hill. No, so like nothing I'm using whatsoever. I want some blueberries and some yogurt right now. Is eating a whole tub of yogurt like that bad for you? It's Greek yogurt. I feel fine. Look at this. Fuck me up, Greek yogurt. This is my 3rd tub of Greek yogurt this week. No shame in my game. I posted a video saying I want to look for a job in the city, and it like the video came across really unserious because at the time it was. But then I was thinking I do want to start doing like food editing or like food blogging or something like that for like a food, like I don't know, something exciting like that. All right, I'm gonna go finish my yogurt and then we'll build boxes. I just went live on TikTok and now I'm gonna start making boxes. I started posting on Depop and then I got bored, so we'll do that again later. But right now we're gonna build some Bob the Builder boxes. We're gonna be Bob the Builder and build boxes. I don't know. Let's start packing. Okay, how do you fold this? These down, this down, this down. There we go, bad boy. Like, call me a DILF. Yeah, like that's a good box. Wait guys, I've actually been packing. I got all these books in this box and it's really heavy and lopsided, so I think I'm gonna put my record player, which is over here, on the other side to balance it out because Newton's law of theory and math or whatever. Oh, I can put candles in there. Okay, Sniff. Sniff is the best candles ever. Yeah, I know you could fit in there. Oh, this is a good song. You're in love. I was in love. I love a coffee table book. You want to send a housewarming gift? A coffee table book. Any day of the week. I went to the gym and I went to shower. Guys, I think I was like less than a second away from shitting in the gym. I like sprinted up here, but I did it. And then I showered and now we're gonna make banana bread. And I wanna do it, I wrote a recipe down earlier just from the top of my head, but I wanna do it without a recipe and just like challenge myself and just have fun with it because why not? Life is short and I'm bored, so let's do that. I'll pull out some eggs. We'll do 2 eggs. The way I'm just making up a banana bread is kind of fun. And be like, let's make banana bread with no recipe. They're gonna be like, oh Lord, oh, here he goes. Let's make banana bread with no recipe, or try to at least. Woo! I have 3 ripe bananas, so I'm gonna throw them in this bowl. 1, 2. I hate a squishy banana. It just like icks me out. 2 and 3. Who called me? Mash them up. Okay, now I'm just mashing them. 2 eggs, 1, that's a shell. He thought he was Gordon Ramsay. 2. I'm plugging you in. Sugar, baking soda, baking powder, salt, vanilla, amazing. Okay, brown sugar and flour. Now I add a little bit of vanilla. I'm gonna do half a cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of brown sugar. That's a lot of sugar, I know, just hush, okay? Your New Year's resolution wasn't gonna last anyway. Everything else is in, now we're gonna add a stick of melted butter. Whisk it up. Oh, it should be good. Incredible. Sprinkle that. I'm gonna pop it in the oven and we'll see when it's done. Okay, she's out of the oven. You guys, look how good it came out. And obviously I already ate it for TikTok, but like, that is such a fluffy, light banana bread. It tastes so good. There's not overpowering of banana flavor, but it's just like, I don't even know how to describe it. I'm obsessed. It's unfortunate that I didn't measure everything because I'll never get it again. Okay, I'm gonna chill and eat my banana bread and watch Queer Eye while the sun goes down. This is insanely good, by the way. Like, look at that. Perfect amount of pillowiness. Will you focus? Oh, look at that. Perfect amount of pillowiness and everything. Oh. It's like a light banana bread. I hate a dense banana bread or dense bread in general. They just piss me off. I'm like, what's the point? You guys, it's only, hold on, you'll see eventually. It's 8:09 p.m. I'm ready to go crash and go to bed. I gotta be in the city tomorrow at like 8:30 at the latest because I have a workout class at 9. And I'm gonna get up early because I wanna go for like a nice outdoor walk, run, whatever, in the city before. I'm trying to justify going to bed at 8 p.m. on a Saturday and I'm realizing it doesn't need justification. That's what I wanna do, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I love you guys and I'll talk to you in the morning. Hi, ooh, whoa, hello. Hello, and back up. Good morning. I just woke up like 5 minutes ago and I rushed to get ready because I'm kind of running late. It's 7:29. I was supposed to leave by 7:30. I don't know why I slept through my alarm. Well, I do know. I was tired and didn't want to get up. So now I'm rushing to pack everything and I'm packing a bag because I don't know what I want to do after. So I'm bringing clothes to run and I'm also bringing like clothes to lounge and chill. But it's freezing outside. Oh, I need a beanie. Every time I go to the city, I just bring my whole closet. Cause fuck it, why not? I swear I have more Nike socks. Where are they? Oh, here we go. Just do it. I love a Sunday morning. There's nothing like a Sunday morning. Nothing like it. I have so much denim. Look at all this denim. I'm like a denim girly now. I'm obsessed with denim. Hopefully that doesn't go away in 2025 because I love denim. I'm okay. Being square in a round hole. Hey. I don't want to bring like jeans. Like this is no like I'm not going to dinner with nobody today. They can buy me jeans if they want to buy me dinner. No, so we're good. These puffer jacket. Do you have a big puffer jacket even? Sorry, I'm like trying to get my puffer jacket and it's bringing us really close, so don't get uncomfortable. She's aloe, like my whole closet. I think we're good to go. I look like a hot wreck, but at least I'm hot. I haven't even taken my morning shit, and I don't know, there's something about like, I feel like if you don't take your morning shit before you start your day is not as good. And so I know I'm not gonna have the best Sunday, but it's still Sunday. And I still woke up and I still am getting to be alive, so it's gonna be an amazing day, but I wish I woke up 30 minutes earlier so I could process and take my morning shit. I made it to the city. It is now 8:20 in the morning. I'm at my favorite coffee shop, Blackstone, so I'm gonna run in, get a cup of coffee, maybe sit for a minute, and then I'm gonna go walk up to the workout class, go work out. So that's our plan. It's so quiet in the city on a Sunday morning. Nobody understands this, but like, look at this. It's dead. It's dead. People think in New York, I feel like they typically don't understand that like there are quiet times and there are like neighborhoods and everything, and it's the best feeling in the world when you understand it. And I don't know, a Sunday morning in the West Village makes me I say that every time I'm here because it does. I'm back from New York. It is now 6:18. It feels much later, but it's not, unfortunately. I'm gonna go watch some TV, do some work, you know, be Jake. I gotta edit a YouTube video that's supposed to be up tomorrow, but you guys know I kind of fall behind in that realm. Let's hope I don't. But anyway, I just ordered food. I had the best day ever. Like, I'm just so grateful for life right now because I don't know, like, I saw friends today. I saw some family. I went for a long run. I had a workout. I got coffee in a coffee shop. I had a nice lunch with one of my good friends. I did everything, and I did like a run at sunset, and it was freezing. I like freeze my balls off. I don't even know if they still work, but I did go for a run as the sun was setting, and you look back at like the Manhattan skyline, and it was just like one of those moments. And I've been having more of these recently where I just look back and I'm like, wow, like I'm one, blessed, two, extremely grateful for the life I've been able to live and the life I'm living and the life that's coming and everything that's happening. And it's like a few months ago, I didn't think I would be this happy, and I didn't think I would be back to feeling like myself. And now that I'm here, I never want to lose it again, and I want to work on not letting myself lose that. I think that's going to be one of the really important things that I focus on going forward, is understanding that in any relationship, friendship, romantic relationship, whatever it may be, to not lose myself for somebody else. And not in like a selfish way, but you have to put yourself first. And somebody commented on my TikTok today and said, they're not the son, you are. And it's like, that could be selfish in a way, but honestly, like at the end of the day, all you have is you. You're the one that goes to bed every night with yourself, and you're the one that wakes up every night with yourself. If you're lucky, you have somebody that loves you just as equally right next to you. But at the end of the day, you have to be there for yourself before you can expect anybody else to be there for you. And I think that's what these past few weeks have really taught me and showed me, is that the more I show up for myself, the more I can show for others. And this sounds like a long ramble, but I'm really grateful, I'm really blessed, and I'm really happy with life right now. And I never want to lose that again. And I know life has ups and downs, and it's a roller coaster and a wave, and you got to ride it. But I'm on a high right now, and I'm gonna enjoy it for as long as it lasts. And yeah, so we're gonna go do some work, turn on a show, light a candle, eat, have a relaxing Sunday night. It's supposed to snow tomorrow, which would be really pretty, but you know, no pressure, Lord. Okay, dinner. Oh, I got a warm pita, which I'm so excited about. And then I just got like this hummus salad bowl. I thought I got dolmas on the side, but it looks like they're on top. Oh well, I'll eat those first. Here it is. It's from this place called Hummus Republic that I've been obsessed with. I got harissa hummus, tzatziki, this lemon chicken, cucumber, red tomato, or red onion, and spinach, and then greens mix. Nothing crazy. Really good, simple, fresh. So good. I love Greek Mediterranean food. All the above. I need water. I've never tried their pita, but it looks incredible. Hey, a little bit of chicken, some spinach, some onion on there. Pat her down. So good. Good morning. It's like 5:30 in the morning. I'm going to work out soon, but I need to shave. Oh, I'm dizzy. Wow. I'm drinking coffee. I need to shave before I go work out. I'm going to Orange Theory because I can't work out looking musty, because then I just don't feel great. I'm excited to wake up today. I don't know. Okay, let's shave. It's supposed to snow today, so I wanted to go work out and then come back here so I can chill while it's snowing and be like a vibe. Okay. I slept so good and I just popped out of bed at 4. I was like, okay, good morning. I'm gonna be late for my class. I have to go. I'll see you after I work out. Don't play, it's snowing today. It just started snowing like 10 minutes ago, and it's already, you can already see it accumulating. This guy has a blowtorch. I'm confused. Do you guys see him? Sir, what are we blowtorching? Well, that's one way to keep the roads clear. You guys, it's now 12:28. My meeting starts at 12:30. I just got off the couch. I was resting, and I'm editing a vlog. But look at the snow outside. It's insane. I don't know if you could see it, but it's like really snowing. But okay, wait, I gotta hop on this meeting. Zoom and I always beef. Zoom fucking hates me and I hate it. Just kidding, Zoom, I love you. If you wanna sponsor this video, just slide in. Where's the invite, guys? Where's my calendar? Okay, I gotta go. I'll see you after. I was just editing for the past 2 hours. It's now 3:40, almost 4. I want to run to the store because I have no food here. Not that I need food because I ate a lot. I drank 4 of these Stanley cups of water. I've been on my water kick. Today, and I'm not mad about it. You're about to die though. I haven't charged you all day. So I'm gonna charge you while I go to the store, and then whenever I come back, I'll give you a haul of what I got. I just got back from the store. I didn't get that much actually, but I stopped at Starbucks, and you know I got egg bites. Egg white bites are the best thing ever. And then going to the grocery store when you're hungry is the most dangerous thing on earth, other than like real dangerous things that people do. I got eggs, that's not bad. I got some Greek yogurt. I need a new coffee pods for my Nespresso, so I got those. And then I just got 2 lean cuisines. This one's grilled chicken and broccoli, and then this one is just beef and broccoli. I need quick dinners. These are my favorite snack ever. They're Chobani flips. It's just like Greek yogurt. It's like a little dessert cup, and you know I'm about to have one. And then I just got 2 Magic Spoon cereals because it was like buy one, get one, something off. I'm eating dinner, just this lean cuisine broccoli and chicken bowl. And then I'm gonna run over to Jillian's. They leave tomorrow for a week, and I won't see her because I'll then be in Europe when they get back. So I'm gonna go see them, hang out at their apartment for a little bit, come back, go to bed. And then I have a haircut in the morning, thank God. I'm watching Selling the City. It's like Selling the Sunset, but for Manhattan, which, you know, I'm so interested in. I want to be a realtor. Good morning, it's 7 a.m. I'm just sitting in bed. Usually I would like be up and at 'em by now, but I don't have any meetings. Well, I was supposed to have a meeting this afternoon, but look how pretty, like the sun is rising and the snow's still in the parking lot. Vibes, 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 vibes. I just finished a 4-mile run on the treadmill. Well, you guys already know my thoughts about running on a treadmill and how it's so much worse than running outside. Okay, I'm ready to go. Right on time. Well, a little late, but that's not new or surprising. Okay. I love when I go get my hair done because I don't have to wear, like I don't have to do my hair. I just go with the hat. Okay, this little canister has just been spraying sporadically, even if I'm not pressing it. Like it'll keep spraying. And I'm like, okay, do you want to calm down? Little eye cream because I'm exhausted. And we're good. Let's go. I haven't seen Robert, my hairstylist, in forever, so this will be fun. Okay, I need water. And then we're out. Okay, I'm here. I'm about to run in and get my hair cut. I'm like 10 minutes late, so I gotta go. Okay, I got my haircut earlier. I'm now back kind of by my apartment. I have to head to U-Haul, where I'm at right now, to go get moving supplies. Like, I need like packing paper, like the stuff to wrap my glassware in, and like dishes, and then I want like a wardrobe box for like hanging some clothes for whenever I move. So that's what I'm gonna run in and grab a bunch of those supplies, and then after that, we'll head home and like, I need to eat. Okay, I'm home, I'm packing, or I'm gonna start packing and listening to music videos and Taylor Swift. So that's what I'm up to. I got this wrapping paper to wrap up like valuables. I know this vlog has been long and a lot has happened, so I wanted to close it out here. I love you guys. Thank you so much if you stayed this whole time, and if you didn't, you're not even seeing this, but still I love you. Anyway, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, turn on the notification bell for all updates and all the things. You already know what to do. Follow me on my other social medias to stay up to date in my life day to day, and I'm gonna be more consistent with these type of weekly vlogs, as well as sprinkling in some fun experiences like the work days in my life and stuff like that. So let me know what you guys want to see, what type of content that you think would be fun for me to film, or places that you think I should like explore, travel videos, all the above. I'll do it all. You know me, life's short, I'll do everything. But I love you guys. Take care of yourself, take care of those around you, and never forget that you are very, very, very loved by me and a lot of other people around you. I just don't know their names specifically. Bye.